Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print shipping labels in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for that, we will need to have a shipping plugin or an extension for WooCommerce. So basically you can simply go to WooCommerce and go to extensions and you might or you will find the shipping extension. So just type shipping and then you will find this WooCommerce shipping that will allow you to instantly save on shipping and start using some features for shipping like printing labels. So basically in my case, I'm just going for plugins because you can also find it in plugins. And then I'm just going to type shipping as we did previously. And I'm going to search for the same extension or for the same plugin. So here, let's just wait for the page to load. And we will need to have a shipping for WooCommerce. So this is the WooCommerce, and this is another extension that you might use. So either you can use WooCommerce shipping and tags, or just shipping, or whatever you like. It depends on your need. In my case, we want only a plugin for shipping and labels, etc. So now I'm just going to install this and activate this plugin. And after that, we will see that it will be added in our WooCommerce. So now I'm just going to order and I'm just going to this order. And basically, we will need to start having our shipment. But it seems that we need to activate the shipment. And basically, let's go back to our plugin. And we need just to go and configure our shipping WooCommerce. So this is the PayPal, and here we can go to WooCommerce shipping, and here you will need just to connect your store, as you can see, and basically you can go to ShipRocket, the WooCommerce shipping, and you will have your WooCommerce orders that will be able to be printed from here after connecting your store. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.